हेलो एवरीवन, आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू मनी माइंड। सो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के बारे में। क्विकली इसका हम एक फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस करेंगे और उसके बाद हम एक टेक्निकल एनालिसिस करेंगे। रिसेंटली एसबीआई का क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर रिजल्ट्स रिलीज़ हुआ था और वो काफ़ी अच्छा रहा था, लेकिन इसके बाद भी एसबीआई एक डाउनवर्ड ट्रेंड में है बिकॉज ऑफ द मार्केट। So the market cap stands at 6,54,000 crores. Stock P by E is 8.25, ROC is 6.16%, ROE is 17.3%. As you can see, dividend yield भी almost around 2% के पास में है. Debt to equity ratio is 13.5. Now for a banking or financial company, debt to equity higher side में रह सकता है. That is completely normal. Now if we consider this chart for the max P by E ratio, median P by E ratio for State Bank of India is 11.6. Currently the P by E ratio is 8.25. That is fairly good. That means the price of State Bank of India trading on the Indian stock market is fairly priced at this point of time. So financially that's a good sign to invest in this stock. Now, if we compare the industrial P by E average for the banking sector, that is 8.25, and State Bank of India का भी 8.25 ही है, which is a good sign. That means it is again a fairly priced stock for an investment purposes on the longer term horizon. So these are the quarter on quarter results. As you can see, in the last quarter, the profit before tax was equivalent to the September quarter, which is a good sign. Again, the net profit is also close to the September profit as well. If you see December 2023 का quarter on quarter results, that was 11,598 crores. Comparing to it, इस December 2024 का जो quarter on quarter results था, that is 19,500 crores. So that's a increment of around 8,000 crores. So now हमने क्विक फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस तो कंप्लीट कर लिया है. लेट्स डू अ क्विक टेक्निकल एनालिसिस एज वेल. So RSI on monthly time frame is between 60 and 40. We will quickly make Fibonacci retracement zone. So here it is. So as you can see, currently the price is on the golden zone of 50 to 61.8%, ranging from 684 to 730 rupees. So as you can see, the price is fairly valued if we compare from a fundamental perspective as well as technical perspective. Weekly time frame pe the RSI is between 60 and 40, and it is consistently taking support on RSI 40, which is a good sign. Again, both time frames pe the price is above 200 moving average, which shows a bullish momentum in the stock. So on the daily time frame as well, we can clearly see there is a double bottom formation here and here recently. So here the RSI was 22.53, while right now here it is 37.39. So there is an RSI divergence. So that's it for the analysis, a quick analysis of SBI on fundamental and technical forefront. I hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. If you did, like, comment down below and share it with your friends and family who are looking into investing in this stock. And if you want more such videos on quick fundamental and technical analysis, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.